Okay, this is the setup for the Vang show, the screen setup. The first thing to do is to put the tripods up and tighten them down so they're about approximately the equal length and equal height. And the next step would be to put the cross piece, the above cross piece together, and that goes in just kind of like a slide trombone. It fits in on itself. You have to take these screws out and then slide the piece together, making sure that the bolts on the bottom and the top are on the same side, and then slide the two pieces together and then put these bolts back in and tighten them down. And just 1 minute and we'll be back with you. And the next step is to put that cross piece across onto the two tripod pieces. It just slips over the top, right down on top of itself, and you want to make sure that the bolts on the cross piece are in the back, away from the audience. And then the last step is just putting the screen on. You want to make sure that the front side of the screen, where the seam is nicer looking, is towards the front, and you just hook it on each of the four corners, like that, the screen. And then there's ties up top, 3 up top in the middle there. And you just want to tie those across, clip them on, and then tie them and kind of tuck the cord out of the way so it's not hanging down. And do the same with the two side pieces. And make sure you hook the bottoms on those little bolts on the tripod and over the corners on top. And then it's just a matter of raising up the two pieces of the tripod, raise them up, loosen them, raise them up, and tighten them back down so you have a nice taut screen. And that's how you set the screen up for Vang.